We often marvel at Earth's highest peaks, but today, let's journey to the planet's most dramatic low points, places shaped by time, geology, and the resilience of life itself. Our journey begins in the heart of Death Valley, California, at the remarkable Badwater Basin, North America's lowest point, lying an astonishing 86 meters below sea level. This vast, sunken expanse is a place of extremes, where the land dips lower than anywhere else on the continent, and the air shimmers with heat. The landscape here is a blinding white salt flat, stretching endlessly in every direction. These dazzling salt crusts are the remnants of ancient Lake Manly, which once filled this valley thousands of years ago. Now, under the relentless sun, the ground sparkles and cracks, creating a surreal, almost otherworldly scene. Despite the harshness and the searing heat, life finds a way to persist here. Salt-tolerant pickleweed plants take root in the salty soil, and microscopic algae thrive in shallow pools, painting the landscape with unexpected touches of green and red. As the sun sets and temperatures drop, desert foxes and coyotes emerge from their daytime shelters, moving silently across the salt flats. These nocturnal creatures have adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Standing here, surrounded by silent ancient mountains, you can't help but feel the immense scale of geological time. The landscape tells a story written over millions of years, shaped by water, wind, and relentless sun. High above, a sign on the cliffs marks sea level, a stark and humbling reminder of just how far you've descended below the world you know. It's a visual cue that puts the vastness of this place into perspective. Badwater Basin is both beautiful and brutal, a landscape of extremes where survival is a daily challenge. It's a fitting introduction to Earth's lowest places, where nature's power and resilience are on full display. Next, we cross to Egypt's Qattara Depression, a vast, wind-carved sinkhole plunging 133 meters below sea level. Its salt marshes and shifting sands make it nearly uninhabitable, yet gazelles and cheetahs survive here. During wudu, its impassable terrain shaped the course of history at El Alamein. Today, it remains a silent wilderness, a testament to the desert's patient power. In Ethiopia's Danakil Depression, 3 tectonic plates pull apart, creating a rift 125 meters below sea level. This is one of the hottest, most geologically active places on Earth. Volcanoes, acid pools, and salt flats painted in surreal colors. The Afar people have harvested salt here for centuries, braving extreme heat. Scientists study its extremophiles, hoping to understand life's limits and perhaps life on other planets. The Danakil is a living laboratory where geology and biology collide in spectacular fashion. It's a place that redefines what life and landscape can be. The Caspian Depression stretches across Russia and Kazakhstan, its lowest point 28 meters below sea level. Once a seabed, it's now a vast plain of grasslands, salt flats, and sand dunes, with the Caspian Sea at its heart. Rich deltas support diverse birdlife, while the sea's sturgeon yield prized caviar. But falling water levels and oil extraction threaten this fragile ecosystem. Here, ancient geology, wildlife, and industry meet in a delicate balance. In China's Xinjiang region lies the Turpan Depression, plunging 154 meters below sea level. Known as one of China's furnaces, it's a land of searing heat and the glowing, flaming mountains. Ingenious Carez irrigation channels bring mountain meltwater underground, sustaining lush vineyards and oasis towns. Once a Silk Road hub, its ancient ruins and thriving agriculture show how human ingenuity can flourish in extreme environments. Turpan is a testament to adaptation and survival. The Jordan Rift Valley, a dramatic geological feature stretching from Syria to the Red Sea, forms part of the vast East African Rift System. This ancient valley is home to the Dead Sea, the lowest point on land at 430 meters below sea level, making it one of the most unique landscapes on Earth. The Dead Sea's hypersaline waters are nearly 10 times saltier than the ocean, allowing people to float effortlessly on its surface. Its dense, mineral-rich waters support no fish or aquatic plants, but the area is famous for its therapeutic mud and salt, attracting visitors from around the world. This region is steeped in religious and historical significance, a cradle of civilization where ancient cultures flourished and sacred texts were discovered. Yet the Dead Sea is shrinking rapidly due to water diversion and climate change, threatening its unique ecosystem and the livelihoods of those who depend on it. Sinkholes now scar the receding shoreline, forming as underground salt layers dissolve and the ground collapses. The valley's fate is a stark reminder of our impact on natural wonders, urging us to protect these irreplaceable treasures for future generations. In Mauritania's Sahara, Sebket Tain Dagamcha dips to 5 meters below sea level, a shimmering salt flat shaped by cycles of flooding and evaporation. For centuries, camel caravans mined salt here, fueling trans-Saharan trade. Today it remains a remote, ever-changing landscape, echoing with history. It's a place where the desert's silence and the legacy of ancient commerce endure. The Karagiye Depression, Kazakhstan's lowest point at 132 meters below sea level, is a dramatic karst sinkhole formed by dissolving rock and collapsing caverns. Its stark white salt flats and steep slopes create a wild, untouched landscape. Local legends speak of strange lights and mythical creatures adding to its mystique. Karagiye is a geological wonder embodying the untamed spirit of the Central Asian steppe. Lake Assal in Djibouti, at 155 meters below sea level, is Africa's lowest point and one of the saltiest lakes on Earth. Fed by geothermal springs and ringed by volcanic peaks, its turquoise waters are bordered by pure white salt flats. The Afar and Isa peoples have harvested salt here for generations, making it a vital economic resource. The lake's stark beauty and geological significance make it a jewel of the African continent. It's a place where Earth's crust is literally pulling apart. The Tarim Basin in western China is a vast, arid bowl ringed by towering mountains, with large areas below sea level. Its heart is the Taklamakan Desert, endless dunes, deadly heat, and ancient Silk Road oases. Rivers from melting snow create rare green corridors, while the basin's oil and gas reserves fuel modern industry. The cross-desert highway now cuts through this sea of sand. Tarim is a land where ancient history and extreme nature collide. In Patagonia, Argentina, Laguna del Carbon sits at 105 meters below sea level, the lowest point in the western and southern hemispheres. This remote salt lake, set in a windswept basin, is shaped by tectonics and erosion. Its dazzling white salt pan contrasts with the wild Patagonian steppe. Few visit, but those who do find profound solitude at the bottom of two hemispheres. Revisiting the Turpan Depression, we see a landscape where ancient Silk Road cities and ingenious agriculture thrive amid searing heat. The region's grapes and melons are legendary thanks to the unique climate and Corrèze irrigation. Ancient ruins like Gaochang and Jiaohe whisper stories of trade and culture. Turpan is proof that even the harshest environments can nurture vibrant life and history. The Dead Sea, at 430.5 meters below sea level, is Earth's lowest exposed land. Its mineral-rich hypersaline waters have been prized since antiquity for health and industry. The region is steeped in biblical history, from Sodom and Gomorrah to Masada. But the sea is vanishing, leaving behind mudflats and sinkholes. Massive engineering projects are debated to save it, but its fate remains uncertain. The Dead Sea is a symbol of both natural wonder and environmental crisis. Hidden beneath Antarctica's vast frozen surface lies the Bentley Subglacial Trench, a colossal chasm plunging 2,555 meters below sea level. This is the lowest point on Earth not covered by ocean, a place so remote and inaccessible that it remains shrouded in mystery, sealed away under thick, ancient ice for millions of years. Mapped only by advanced radar technology, the trench is even deeper than the Grand Canyon, yet it's completely hidden from view, buried under several kilometers of solid ice. Scientists rely on sophisticated instruments to reveal its contours and secrets, since no human has ever seen it directly. Its immense depth and strategic location make it a key to understanding the stability of the West Antarctic ice sheet. The trench acts as a gateway, influencing how ice flows and how the entire ice sheet responds to changes in temperature and climate. If warm ocean water were to reach this hidden trench, it could trigger catastrophic melting, leading to rapid ice loss and a dramatic rise in global sea levels. An event that would impact coastlines and communities around the world. That's why scientists from around the globe are racing to study this concealed world, drilling deep into the ice and analyzing ancient samples to unlock the secrets of Earth's climate history and the forces shaping our planet's geology. The Bentley Subglacial Trench stands as a powerful reminder that some of our planet's greatest mysteries remain hidden, waiting to be discovered beneath layers of ice and time. The Challenger Deep, at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, is the planet's ultimate low, nearly 11,000 meters below sea level. Here, crushing pressure and darkness create an alien world, yet life thrives: amphipods, xenophyophores, and the ghostly Mariana snailfish. Only a handful of explorers have reached these depths, revealing a vibrant, mysterious ecosystem. The trench is a testament to Earth's extremes and the resilience of life. It holds secrets about our planet's geology and the origins of life itself. Challenger Deep is the final frontier of exploration on Earth. From Death Valley's salt flats to the abyss of Challenger Deep, Earth's lowest places are dynamic, beautiful, and vital. They reveal the power of nature, the adaptability of life, and the fragility of these extreme environments. Their fate is intertwined with our own, reminding us to protect and cherish our planet's wonders. Which of these places would you visit? Let us know in the comments, and keep exploring the world's hidden depths.